how to make money online as a freelancer in 2025. Let's get right into it and let's learn the proven insights that you as a freelancer have to consider in 2025. First, it doesn't matter what type of freelancing services you're offering. You have to have your online temple, which is your website. And I'll tell you why that is absolutely critical to have. Now, most freelancers, especially rank your followers, they end up going to marketplaces such as Upwork or Fiverr or some others to gain clients as a freelancer. That's great, but if you're participating in any freelancing communities on internet, then understand that people will actually search for you when they end up finding your profile or when you interact with them on freelancing marketplaces. That is why having your online presence through your professional looking website is a start. But don't make a mistake thinking, oh, you know what, I'm just going to put out a website and showcase my freelancing services on my website too. We don't want to just do that. We want to go one step further. Now, because some rank your followers are from overseas, you can use AI tools to assist you to create professional profiles. It's just a matter of using the tools to describe your services and ask the tools to guide you to create professional profiles. Whether it's ChatGPT, DeepSeek, these are free tools available. Now, next, as a freelancer, what we need to think in 2025 is that internet world is changing. So therefore, even if you're a one-man show or one-woman show trying to earn a living as a freelancer, you don't need to just wait around for your clients to find you. Ask yourself, what would your clients be searching in Google? Let's imagine you offering freelancing to a small business community. Let's say web design as an example. You can use these examples for any industry. Then ask yourself, okay, what would a small business owner needing my freelancing services be searching Google for? And when you then find out those question-oriented words, you can, on your online temple, create content accordingly. And creating content in 2025 is a straightforward process. What will then happen is whether you have a website offering your freelancing services, whether you participate on Upwork, Fiverr or others, you'll get free website traffic from targeted keywords. As in, once you identify the type of questions your client may be searching for, then you answer that through your website. So therefore, you're covering many different angles. Also, take Rankia as an example. I actually do offer freelancing services as well. So I know what works and what doesn't work. Meaning, putting up a WordPress site is a straightforward process. Using premium themes, you can put up a website in 5-10 minutes and it looks professional. Just imagine that I had a freelancing profile on Upwork and I interact with a valued client. Obviously, that valued client may actually search for me on the internet. Now, if I don't provide the content, then it doesn't matter how much I say I am the best, all this stuff, they won't hire me. Make sense? That is true for you as well. That is why you have to have a website and you need to put out regular content that showcases your skills and expertise and make sure that content is useful and original. Also, you can easily create videos. And in 2025, whether we're talking about Facebook videos, which are reels, or YouTube videos, they are easy to create. Just take a look at my new channel trailer I put out yesterday. I just used my smartphone. Think about that. So what I'm trying to tell you is, step back as a freelancer and say to yourself, okay, internet world is changing. All these AI tools are disrupting freelancing industries. So therefore, how can you step back and say, okay, how can I earn money online in 2025 as a freelancer? If you don't have a website, then just create one. You'll never look back. As in, without a website, as a freelancer, it's very cumbersome to earn a decent living. Because on marketplaces like this, you're participating in, if you are, you're competing with thousands of other freelancers offering the same services. And you can't compete on prices either. It's difficult. Surely you need to have reasonable prices according to your industry. But what I'm trying to tell you is, it doesn't matter how you're offering your services or where on internet you're offering your services. Build your website, put out content on regular basis. Make sure that content is related to your industry and it is question-oriented words you're targeting. Because then you'll get thousands of website traffic finding you. Also, you'll build authority and trustworthiness in your niche. Then when your ideal clients find you, they know that you've got the content, which then says you've got the experience and knowledge. Then if you can create videos, that'll be great as well. Also, sprinkle reviews throughout your website. It is a straightforward process. And yet, most freelancers in 2025, they just follow the crowd. Make sense? You don't want to do that. For example, my consultation services, they are high end because I have the experience to answer questions that not many people can. So I don't need to compete on price. And just imagine someone trying to hire me. If I just showcase my service, they're not going to hire me. But because they know that I've got the content, it proves positive to them. You know what? This person knows what he's talking about. Couple that with a website that answers questions, I'm getting thousands of visitors finding me for free. I don't even advertise in 2025 through Google Ads anymore because internet world is changing and you need to be prepared for these changes. Because if you don't take action as a freelancer, adhering to these proven insights, then how can we make money on internet? Make sense? So always go the extra mile. Make sure that you have the website that's professional, but it also has content. So have a content strategy in place. Original, useful content. And if you can also create videos, how great is that? Because then you will be building authority and your freelancing journey will be more prosperous. And also, at times, if you're just beginning out to earn a living on internet, it could be cumbersome. It could be challenging. Then you need to be patient and don't give up. You need to be consistent and try different strategies. And as a freelancer, I made honest mistakes at the beginning. And one of the best advice that I can share with you as well is have in place referral strategies. Because it's hard to win a client for the first time. You know that, I know that, everyone else knows that too. But once we win a valued client, and we go the extra mile, then sure, we can get reviews from them, ask them to provide reviews, which helps us. But what else we can do is come up with methods to get that valued client to refer us to their business partners, their colleagues, their friends and family. Referral is very important. That means don't just look for reviews only. Because if someone is willing to provide great reviews for your services, then it's more than likely that they will refer you to others. But if you don't encourage them or entice them to refer you, then it's like up to them or if they remember you. But if you kindly ask them to refer you, perhaps even provide some discounts, free consultations, something that will work for your industry. And when you get that 5-star review and then come up with referral strategies, then that's how you slowly grow as a freelancer. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.